Hello everyone, and welcome to the Mr. Rich channel. In today's video, I'm taking you on a live journey, starting with just $40 in my trading account. It may seem like a small amount, but with the right strategy, that's all you need to grow something big. What I'll be using today is a powerful compounding strategy I personally created and have refined over time. It's incredibly accurate and built to maximize profits with minimal risk. And as you'll see, the results speak for themselves. This isn't a strategy that's shared publicly. Until now, it's been taught exclusively to members of my VIP group. But today, I'm going to give you a real-time look at how it works, with actual trades, real market conditions, and live analysis. So, if you're serious about learning how to grow a small account into something significant, stay with me until the end. You won't want to miss this. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell because I regularly share trading strategies that actually work. All right, let's dive into the market and get started. I decided to open a sell position on this market because the downtrend is very clear and strong. A series of consecutive red candles shows strong selling pressure. Additionally, all moving average and MACD lines are sharply pointing downward, reinforcing a strong bearish signal. The red histogram on the MACD also confirms that the bearish momentum is high, making this a solid entry opportunity. Let's see if my analysis is correct and if we can secure another profit. Another profitable trade. This strategy continues to prove its accuracy. Now, let's open a new market and look for the next best opportunity. I opened a sell position on this market after identifying a clear crossover on the MACD indicator, specifically between the green MACD line and the red signal line. This crossover is often the first sign of a potential trend reversal to the downside, typically followed by increased bearish pressure. With the histogram also starting to move lower, this setup gave us an extra confirmation that downward momentum is building. Let's see if this analysis plays out and leads to another profitable trade. Profit again. This strategy continues to deliver consistent results. Let's move on to the next market and find the next golden opportunity. I opened a buy position on this market because I noticed a potential crossover forming on both the MACD and moving averages indicators. This kind of crossover is a powerful technical signal that often indicates a trend reversal from bearish to bullish. Let's see if this analysis proves correct. Profit again and again, guys. This is our third consecutive profitable position. The strategy continues to deliver consistent and accurate results. Now let's keep going. Let's open up the next market and find our next opportunity. I entered a sell position on this market because the downtrend remains very strong and clearly visible. This is confirmed by the fact that all the lines on both the moving averages and MACD indicators are sharply pointing downward, indicating strong selling pressure in the market. Furthermore, the MACD histogram is starting to turn red and expanding, which reinforces the bearish momentum. The presence of multiple red candles dominating the chart also confirms that sellers are still in control. With this strong combination of technical signals, my decision to sell is based on solid analysis. Let's see how this trade plays out. Okay, another profit secured. Now let's move on and open the next market. In this market, I've decided to enter a sell position because I noticed a very similar trend market to our previous trade, where a strong downtrend was clearly in place. All technical indicators, including the moving averages and MACD, are still pointing downward sharply, indicating continued bearish pressure. This is a strong confirmation that the sellers are still in control of the market. Based on the price movement and technical outlook, I'm confident that this sell position has strong potential to generate profit. Let's see how it plays out. Another profit? Absolutely amazing. This strategy continues to deliver consistent results. Now, let's move on and open the next market. Attention! You need to understand, the strategy I've shown you in this video is not an ordinary method. This is part of my premium strategy, and I only teach it in full inside the VIP group. There are a lot of so-called profitable strategies out there, but this one has been personally tested and proven by me over the years, and it can reach up to 100% accuracy under certain market conditions. So if you're serious about learning and mastering this strategy the right way, the only way is to join my VIP group. I've entered a buy position based on two key technical signals. First, a bullish Marubozu candle has formed, indicating strong buying momentum from the market. Second-day crossover has occurred on the MACD indicator, signaling a potential trend reversal to the upside. Third, the MACD histogram is turning green and expanding, which shows increasing bullish strength. With this combination of confirmations, I'm confident this buy entry has a high potential for profit. And, as expected, another winning trade. Let's continue and find the next great market opportunity. I decided to enter a buy position after observing a strong indication that the green and yellow lines on the moving average indicator are about to cross upward. This type of crossover is often an early signal of a potential bullish reversal. That's why I chose to enter slightly earlier, before the full confirmation, to secure a better entry point. And the result was accurate. This position ended up in profit. Let's move on to the next market and look for the next high probability market. I decided to open a buy position based on two strong technical confirmations. First, a crossover occurred on the MACD indicator, signaling a possible upward momentum. Second, the moving averages also crossed upward, further confirming the bullish trend formation. With these two signals combined, this position looks promising. Let's see whether this trade results in a profit or not. Okay, the last trade was a profit, and now we're moving on to the next market. In this setup, I decided to take a 1-minute sell position. The reason is quite clear. A crossover has occurred on the MACD indicator, signaling potential downward movement. Additionally, the red histogram bars are expanding, indicating strengthening bearish momentum. These two confirmations give me high confidence to go for a sell. Let's see if this trade ends in profit. And yes, it's another profitable result. Amazing! Let's continue to look for the next opportunity in the market. I decided to take a sell position in this market because there were strong technical signals pointing toward a potential downtrend. First, a crossover occurred on the moving averages, where the green line crossed below the yellow line, a clear sign of a potential shift to a bearish trend. Second, the MACD histogram is red and expanding downward, indicating strong bearish momentum building up in the market. These two confirmations gave me the confidence to go short. Let's see how it plays out. Wow, profit. This strategy just keeps proving its accuracy. Let's move on and open the next market. In this setup, I've chosen to enter a sell position because the market is clearly in a strong downtrend. The price has been moving lower consistently, and red candles are dominating the chart. On top of that, the MACD indicator shows a bearish crossover, giving us additional confirmation that the downward momentum is gaining strength. Combining the ongoing trend and the MACD confirmation, this looks like a solid selling opportunity. Let's see if this trade ends in profit. Yes, another profit. Awesome. Let's go ahead and find the next market setup. I decided to enter a buy position on this market because I saw a clear potential for upward movement. This was indicated by the green line, or moving average, period 7 starting to curve sharply upward, a strong signal that bullish momentum is forming and the market could rise soon. As soon as I noticed the signal, I quickly entered a buy position to catch the move early. Let's see if this trade ends in profit. Yes, the prediction was right, and we secured another profit. Now let's open up the next market and look for another solid opportunity. All right, I decided to enter a sell position on this market based on two strong technical confirmations. First, there was a crossover between the green and yellow lines on the moving average indicator. This kind of crossover is often a signal that a potential downtrend or reversal is forming, especially when supported by other indicators. Second, on the MACDs, I observed that the red histogram bars are expanding downward, which indicates increasing bearish momentum and stronger selling pressure. These two aligned signals, the MA crossover and expanding red histogram on the MACD, gave me the confidence to take this sell trade. Let's see if this prediction turns into profit. Yes, another profit. This strategy continues to deliver consistent results. All right, everyone. I think that's enough trading for today. I've already taken quite a number of positions, and I don't want to overtrade, because overtrading can lead to unnecessary losses. What matters is that my balance has grown significantly, from a small capital to now over $156,000. This is the result of consistent execution, a powerful strategy, and solid risk management. If you're interested in learning this exact strategy, getting daily signals, and receiving direct guidance from me, make sure to join my VIP group. I'll walk you through everything step by step, so you can unlock your real potential in trading. Thanks so much for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another profitable strategy. See you in the next video, and may your day be full of profits.